Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GA4 series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll see how we can create a Google Analytics 4 account. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So we'll be creating a GA4 account for this website. So you can see this is a e-commerce website. Okay, the website name is Medialytics e-commerce. So for creating a new GA4 account, I need to write Google Analytics. Okay, then I can see the first option called Google Analytics is appearing here. So I will click this link. Okay, so let's wait a little bit. So you can see previously I have created a couple of Google Analytics 4 account. That's why it is redirecting me to those accounts. Okay. So for creating a new GA4 account, I need to click on admin section and click create account. Then I have to put the account details like account name and other information. Okay. So I'll put the name as Medialytics e-commerce. Okay. Then account data sharing settings, you can enable all the check marks from here. Okay. Now I'll click on next button. Then I will give the property name as Medialytics e-commerce and reporting time zone. You can select your country's time zone. Like I am selecting for Bangladeshi time zone. Okay, so I'll select Bangladesh and the default time zone is here, GMT +6 for Bangladeshi time. Okay, and the currency, you can choose your country's currency, but I'll be selecting US dollar. Okay, I'll write US dollar from here and I'll click on next. Then you have to choose the industry category here. So our industry is shopping or e-commerce. Then I will be selecting shopping from here. Okay, so you can select your category from here. I'll be selecting shopping, and the business size I'll mention medium here. You can mention your business size from here. And how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business? So you can follow this check mark as per your business requirements. So I'll be selecting this one, and this one. Okay, so I'll click on create button. Then I have to check this check mark and this one as well. So I will click on I agree. So let's wait a little bit. So we can see we can create different platforms here. Okay, so we can create GA4 account for web, Android app, iOS app. So as this one is a website, so I'll be selecting web. Okay, so I need to put the website URL here. I'll copy it from here and paste it here. And I'm removing HTTPS from here. I just need to put the domain, exact domain here. Okay, and the stream name, you can mention your website name. Like I'll be mentioning Medialytics e-commerce, Medialytics e-commerce. Okay, I'll click on create stream. So our Google Analytics 4 account has been created. Okay, so if I refresh the screen, I'm gonna refresh the screen to see whether GA4 has been created or not for this website. Okay. We click on home. Then you can see Medialytics e-commerce, okay, has been created properly. Okay. So this is how we can create a GA4 account for our website. Okay, so hopefully you have a clear understanding on how we can create a GA4 account and then how we can create different types of property for this website. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.